Hey guys, welcome back. It's 24th of November 2025. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today with 7 years. And let's get into the video. So, a couple of announcements. This week I was struggling with my current job. And the reason why is because I have a couple of perfectionists at work, and it's just been a struggle to work with them. Um, you know, just ridiculous, right? And when I say perfectionist, it's like you're just looking for problems, not actually looking for solutions. Basically, that mentality is hard. So we're gonna change that soon. But yeah, let's get into the actual part that we have been working on. So this week has been a great success. A couple of certificates have been flying in. The SQL certificate, which I've signed off like should have signed off like a month ago or something, but we did it now. Also, we have the Docker course, we have the JavaScript unit testing course, which we will be continuing with React. And also, eventually, when we did Docker, we also will continue with Kubernetes. So stay tuned for that in 2026. The next one that we signed off is test different test driven development. It's like a two-in-one, and there's two more that we did. Oh, which one are they? Docker, Azure, test driven development. Um, two more at least. Maybe I will come to it on a later date. And we also are working on a couple of new certificates. So why am I doing all this? Why am I doing all the certificates? Well, currently I'm not in tech, and now I have the opportunity to learn all these tools. So when the job application comes, I already have it and I'm certified, right? That gives me just a little bit of step ahead. So we've been working on N8N, which is an automation workflow or an AI agent workflow, depending on how you see it and how you use it. And we're also working on a course called Cloud. It's just like an tool how to use the CLI when you are programming. Very useful at the job with the application. Yeah, and today we have been working on the Azure course. And yeah, meanwhile, we are working on the N8N course, doing work, and we're working on Korean, obviously. So it's yeah, it has been struggling. It has been hard, but yeah, we have figured it out. So let me check what the certificate I actually got. Let me go to my Google Drive and let's see what we have. Oh yeah, we signed off the Linux course, and the reason why we did that is because the Docker also had a part of the Linux, so I might as well sign that off as well because I already know Linux, not like in a deep sense, but I can work with it, right? So that shouldn't be an issue. Oh yeah, and one course that we finished and signed off is GraphQL, but the GraphQL was also with a REST API part. I already know how to work with REST APIs, but it can never hurt, so we have that. So yeah, couple things to look out for is obviously um, the Azure. This is gonna be in December. The Cloud Code, the N8N, and probably two others. But the bigger courses will be in January, February, and going to the spring section. Yeah, it's been hard, and we'll see how things will happen. And yeah, yeah, we just been consistently. We haven't been applying these last couple of weeks because there was an income problem, and now also my domain expired, so we renewed that. But we also have to renew the GitHub invites, which I did one, and it's working. The other three, I just have to update them. Then we're gonna apply again. And yeah, that is pretty much it. We've been working hard. We've been working consistently, but we haven't made consistent videos. And soon we will also start with the lead code section. And yeah, yeah, that's something to look out for. in a weekend when I finished the Docker course. I already signed it off, but I have to do like a couple extra lessons. When I did those, I have to work on my interview skills. Maybe I will do that on stream, maybe not, but we will see about that. So yeah, I'm gonna hang it up right here. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today in 7 years. And I'll see you to the next one.